So for this we will carry on a various steps, and let us see what are all the steps. So we can easily prove using calculus. We know that from calculus we can prove that log natural of x is always less than x for x more than or equal to 1. This is a known fact from the case of calculus, from the case of basic mathematics. The details of this proof I have listed on the blog page that you can see in the description of this video. So now if we know this fact is correct, then let us put x is equal to n to the power 1 by k. This is the trick involved in this case. So when you do this, you will get log natural n to the power 1 by k. So this x, it goes as n to the power 1 by k, and it will be less than n to the power 1 by k. So if you understand this substitution, then in the next step we can see that 1 by k can be brought adjacent to this log, because log natural of x to the power y is same as y log natural of x. This we know from the basic mathematics of logarithms. 1 by k log n is less than n to the power 1 by k. Now let us raise both the sides to the power k, so that this n to the power 1 by k, it gives me n, and this k goes on that side as 1 by k into log natural of n to the power k. This we know. Now I have been using log natural in this case, so now it is time to change this log natural into any generic log base. The log could be base 2 or base any, so I will change it from log natural to any log base, so that our proof, it remains a general proof and is not limited to log natural. For this we will substitute log natural of n as log natural of b into log to the power b, log to the base b of n. This is again a transformation of logarithms from the base e to any generic base b. So with this substitution we get this one, you can see it clearly. Now we will raise this k to everything and make some adjustments. You can see that it is log b n, this power becomes here, it less than n, this k to the power k goes here, log natural b to the power k comes down. So far you can convince yourself that this is correct, and once you see this, which implies that log to the power k n, now this part is totally a constant. This part is constant, and therefore we can see that log to the power k to any generic base, I have removed b, which means any general base, log to the power k n of any general base will be always limited by a linear factor of n, and therefore the order of growth of log to the power k n can be written as on, which proves the assertion, and therefore log to the power kn is always equal to the order n. Log square, log cube, they all grow linearly. This is an important proof that I have always found. So that's okay. Thank you.